Since February 13, 2023, our system ranks SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.728. In this period the stock has not performed as our systems expected and actually had a loss of -1.35% so far. This is an average return of -0.27% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SPY, our last headline reads, SPY ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The SPY ETF price fell by -0.250% on the last day, Friday, February 17, 2023, from $408.28 to $407.26. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 0.86% from a day low at $404.05 to a day high of $407.51. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -1.23% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 11 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 87 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $35.32 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $462.07, and the lowest price was $348.11. Right now the price is 11.86%, or $54.81, below 52-week high and 15.15%, or $72.72, below all-time high January 4, 2022 where the price hit $479.98. The ETF lies in the middle of a weak rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 4.05% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -1.37% and 7.23%. The 12-month trend indicates a -9.41% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -25.07% and -7.72%. This equals a price between $305.18 and $375.83 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for SPY. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -2.28%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The SPY ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $410.02. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $400.15. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $401.60, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $3.46 between high and low, or 0.86%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.18%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SPY meets first resistance at $410.80. If you do not hold SPY shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SPY finds first level of support at $401.60, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $393.94, minus 3.27%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 11 days ago. Is SPY ETF a buy? Several of the signals/indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 21st, we expect SPY to open down minus 99 cents and start trading at $406.27. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember